Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Inn of Secrets. I'm Diana Vesaili, a Reiki healer, a tarot reader, and a life coach. So today's reading is going to be for the zodiac sign of Virgo for the month of July. Okay, so let's see a zodiac sign of Virgo. What's there for the month of July? It's a general reading. So whatever resonates, please take that, and whatever does not resonate, please leave it. And yeah, this reading is going to guide you different sectors, your finance, your work, your relationship. So the tarot is going to give you guidance. Accordingly you can take your decisions, but if you feel that you really need to have a proper reading, so you can have a one-to-one session with me. My phone number is given there. You can either contact me via phone number, or you can also have a personalized reading with me if you belong to my hometown. Okay, Virgo, so please remember your god or goddesses, whoever you believe so. And if you have a true faith in angels, you can also believe in angels, right? We all have an angel. So for me, like angels are something that I really believe in them a lot, okay? Because each and every moments when I'm stuck up, I get a very good guidance from the angels, right? So okay, Virgo, let's see for the month of July what's there for you, okay? So maybe you might hear a sound, a background sound, which might not be very pleasing to hear. So please avoid that, okay? And you can just listen to me and see the guidance. Okay, let's see, Virgo, what's there for the month of July for you. Hopefully, let's hope for the best. It's okay if you can't see my card. I'm just going to lift the card and show it to you and tell you about your reading, okay? It's not going to be a problem at all. Let's see what's there for the month of July for you. Oh, finance, that's nice. Wheel of Fortunes, Four of Rods. Okay, you have a High Priest. Great. So there's Six of Pentacles. There's another money. Oh, nice. Ace of Cups. It's a new beginning. Five of Cups, right? Hermit. Okay, I'm never happy when I get Hermit card. So there's also confusion card. So okay, Virgo, let's start your reading. Yes, for the starting of the month of July for my Virgo zodiac sign people, is going to be a good financial growth. So the month of July is going to bring a lot of finance growth. If you are, that if you are in any business, maybe your business is going to get a good income, okay? And if you're in a work field, you might progress a lot. Maybe you might get an increment or some kind of bonus, or some kind of additional finance. I can see you're growing financially very well in the month of July. So it seems like my Virgo had suffered a little bit in the month of May, June and all. So but now I think July seems to be a good financial month for them. So there is another card that is Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune is basically blessing from the universe from all the four sides, whether you call it in the finance, whether you call it in a relationship, whether you call it in your work front. So everything is going to be a very, very balanced for you, right? So it's not going to be something that's going to trigger you or something that's going to bother you. So universe is telling you, like, if you are okay, if you follow a particular, routine, or if you're very dedicated to your work, so definitely, universe is going to grant you with a lot of blessing in the month of July. Okay, Virgo, so I can see a Four of Rods, some kind of celebration or some kind of, outing you people are going to go with your friends and family. Good for Virgo, like, maybe you're very tired of the daily schedule, what you're going through. It is becoming very monotonous for your life, so you want to take a break. So definitely July month is going to bring a break, as well as is going to give you a lot of happiness also, okay? If some of the Virgo people wants to date someone new, I think this is the correct time to go and approach, or just open your heart out in front of that person, because it seems to be a very, very good month for you. Okay, so the second Another card what we're having is the High Priest. Okay, so many of my Virgo is basically people who believe in truth, like, so they know, like, they are very straightforward to correct people if they are wrong, or if they are going, you know, if some way they find that they are not correct, so they're very straightforward to correct them there and then. They don't wait for later time to make corrections. So, you know, like the High Priest, many of my Virgo people are very blunt with their speech. If they have to correct someone, or if they have to, you know, like, stop someone from doing something wrong. So I think June month, you might become very shrewd with your words. So just take a little bit of care, you know, not to become very harsh with other people through your words, right? So everyone knows that once whatever is said or done from your speech, it can never, if you hurt someone with your speech, it can never be taken back, right? So you just have to be careful. So the finance is good for my Virgo. Okay, Virgo, what are you doing? Are you doing some kind of finance charm? See, there's a good finance growth. Okay, if you're a married people, you know, like whatever financial problem you're having within your family, you know, so maybe certain investment or certain things that you wanted to do for your family was not happening. So from the July, it seems like you're going to have a lot of finance growth with which you will be able to do a lot of things for your family and for yourself. Okay, so another cup, it's a lovely cup, that is Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups is also a beginning. So many of my Virgo, if you people are planning to, you know, like, propose someone, or, you know, emotional way, if you like someone, go forward and do it. Or if it is nothing to do with the relationship, then, you know, if you're planning to start something side by or work on it, something new, you know, something new which you had not done, if you're planning for many months, I think July is the right month for you to go ahead and do it, because it's going to be very, very fruitful. So now another card that has come is Five of Cups. So Virgo, Five of Cups. Why? I mean, so many opportunities, so many options. Why? What are you waiting? What are you waiting for that one particular cup? What is that? Like, you know, what is triggering you people so much that, you know, you're not being able to focus anywhere? Your focus is in one particular thing. It can be a particular goal that you have set, or it can be for a particular person that whom you have been liking from many months or years, but you're not being able to go and approach and tell that person. But at the same time, there are a lot of other opportunities that is going away, you know. So don't let the chances go away, Virgo. The card strongly shows that, you know, something to do with the emotions, you know, maybe like in previous year or past few months, you people might have undergoing some kind of breakups or some kind of detachment, you know, from any relationship. So the month of July shows a lot of good thing. So another card which I really don't like it, I have always mentioned in my videos, that is a Hermit card. Okay, so the Hermit card always shows that my Virgo has really, you know, like, detached themselves from everyone, whether you call it their friend circle, whether you call it their love life. So, you know, they have started detaching themselves. They are sad. Okay, they are sad. Why are you sad? I mean, Virgo, what's happening? What is so saddening about your life? I can see July is full of finance growth, you know, partying around. So I think you have to just pack up your sadness and keep it aside. But anyway, I am going to clarify the sadness card for you, why my Virgo zodiac sign people have gone into a character of a hermit. So we are going to see, right, in the month of July, because I can see everything is so good, the finance, relationship, blessing of God, everything, something new. Okay, so the second card comes the Page of Wands. Page of Wands is literally, you know, if some people are bothering you, or some kind of situation is bothering you, you have tightened up your belt to cut those people off and move ahead. Okay, so this is a very, very strong character of a Virgo people. Basically, they are a very emotional, balanced people, but, you know, when sometimes it happens, like, you know, they have to detach from someone, then they do it, and if they do it, there is no going back again. So this is the character of my Virgo. So I don't know, Virgo, why this Page of Swords have suddenly come in the month of July. Maybe in the month of July you are going to cut off some of the people. If it is not with the relationship or family, maybe some of the, you know, business sector where you have your partners who is not giving 100%, but you are giving 100%, and, you know, the outcome is not that great. So maybe you might make a decision to come out of that partnership business and start something of your own. Okay, so the second card, the last card what I'm seeing is Two of Swords. Two of Swords is a confusing mode. So what is making you so confused, Virgo? Why? What is happening in your life that you are in a crossroad? You are not being able to make a particular decision. So maybe for many of the young generation people, who are into colleges, you're not being able to make up your mind. What to study forward or what to do. You're very confused with your ambition, what to do. For such kind of people, I would like to say that listen to your intuitions. Talk to yourself and take a wise decision. Don't take a decision depending on the other people, because you will be the person who has to study or who has to go forward with your um, ambition, right? Whatever you want to do. So make sure that you do a proper study before choosing any kind of like jobs, any kind of training. So just make sure to be very wise, okay, to make a wiser decision. So I'm going to clarify a certain cards for my Virgo. Like the first card, what I would like to clarify, let's go with a Hermit card. Why is my Virgo zodiac sign people so upset, so sad, so lonely? What is it bothering? Is my Virgo people planning to get married or settle down? Are you searching a... Okay, that's a nice thing. That's really nice. Again, there's a burden. Okay. See, now Virgo, what I can see is the sadness is maybe you want a partner in your life. Many of the Virgo really wants to get married and settle down. For those people who are planning to, get married and settle down, there are going to be some kind of good news from your family. Maybe, someone is searching a girl or a boy for you to get settled. Or if you're planning to, approach someone, maybe some kind of good news you're going to get. So you don't have to take so much of burden and be sad, because see, everything happens in a destined time, right? So universe has set a timing. So whenever that particular time is going to come, definitely you are going to get married, or whoever you want a partner in your life, that partner will come into your life. So I don't think, Virgo, like you should be sad thinking about it right now, right? So whenever things has to happen, it's going to happen according to the divine timing. So you just have to relax and let things happen on its way. Definitely where you have to put your effort, you have to put your effort. Like if you are liking someone and you want to approach them for the marriage, you are seeing a life with that person, you want to settle down, so go ahead and do that, because I can see a lot of good things out there. Don't take a burden, don't over evaluate thinking that what that person might give me in return. Will it be a yes or will it be a no? Or so those kind of confusion, please don't take it. And if any person is planning to do something new, go ahead, because this month really seems good. So let me say, who are you people planning to cut off? Okay. Yeah, see the cut-off card I told, and there's a dead card. So definitely my Virgo people are going to cut off. I mean, end certain some kind of situation in their life, and they are going to start afresh. You want to travel, okay? You want to forget about your past and move forward. There's another card that is Queen of Wands. So many of my zodiacs female are going into a character of Queen of Wands, a very stable, a very very focused person. Now whoever has come into the life, who has detached themselves, who had given a lot of pain, so you are planning to cut that people off and lead your life. Now you want to buy a happiness for yourself, right? You want to, whatever you want to do, you want to do it for yourself. You don't want to live for other people. So you have done enough in your life, so now you want to take something for yourself. So there is a deck card, ending of some kind of relationship, or even call it as a partnership. You just want to travel and see the world. Maybe you want to start a new journey. You want to make yourself very happy. Maybe you're curtailing a lot of things from yourself and sacrificing. So that sacrifice is coming to an end in the month of July, Virgo. So just be happy, right? Everything is going to happen in its time. Yeah, I wanted to see this cross. Why is this Two of Swords? You're in a crossroad, right? Blindfolded, don't know what to do, how to start, where to go. Okay. See, the only, that's what the card has been telling me right from the beginning, is Virgo is in a very, very confused state of mind. And what are you burdened of so much about? Are you feeling so burdened with the family pressure? Is it something that, it's not giving you happiness? I mean, it clearly shows that you're doing something that is not giving you a lot of happiness, right? So I don't know, but Yeah, definitely. Before, so I told you there is a, who sorts out here. So female also or male also, whoever is zodiac sign Virgo is, you people are ready to cut off some of the people out of your life if they are no good. If there are certain friends who are very selfish, who does not come and stand beside you when you really need them, or the family people only come for help to you. A certain kind of, business where you are not getting 100%. So all those kind of people are going to be cut off. If you don't have a business, if you're working somewhere, even that time, if you feel like some of the colleagues or the company is not giving you that great, then you are planning to just cut it off, means you are planning to leave that company and join somewhere else. So definitely, if you are going to take such bold decision, yes, you will feel a burden of a little bit, because at the end of the month, even if you leave a job in the middle, there is something that you have to pay, so that burden is still there. So definitely, before taking any decision, make sure that if you are searching for a new job, to take your time, search for a job, and then only quit your uh, previous job, right? So definitely, I can see a lot of things happening in your life, Virgo. So please don't be disheartened. There are going to be a lot of good opportunities in your life. Okay, so the money was a very good, money was not that much growing few months or even a year ahead, but now I can see financially you're going to grow very well, Virgo. Beautiful card, right? Apart from little bit of cutting and being in a hermit mode, I think the entire card is really, really nice. Okay, Virgo. So the July month is going to bring a lot of finance abundance. Okay, the universe is blessing you with that. At the same time, you're going to have some good time with your friends and family. You are going to be very little bit, be a little control with your words, so that you don't hurt anyone by your words. If anything has to be said, I know you always stand for the right thing, for always a positive speaking people. But sometimes when certain people try to do negative things to you, or they speak some negative words, you try to correct them. So just be a little bit cautious not to overdo that. Okay, so the finance all over the card, the finance is really good, Virgo. So happy for you people. And the emotions, like Ace of Cups, my Virgo is literally flowing from emotions, right? So they really want to have a partner in their life. I mean, that loneliness is sometimes killing them. So probably I think your prayer has been answered by God, and someone new will be entering into your life. If that person, whoever is going to enter into your life, don't take, if you like someone, go ahead and approach them, tell them, meet them, know them better. Don't wait from the other side to take action. Sometimes what happens, we we tend to hide a lot of things. We don't tend to go and express ourselves. So that time what happens, the other person takes their place. So better don't be late, right? Because when there is an Ace of Cups, definitely shows us some kind of new beginning in your relationship, new beginning in your work. And those married Virgo people, your married life is going to be really nice. It's going to be very peaceful with your partner. There's not going to be any kind of ups and downs. Whatever ups and downs you all had due to the finance issue, that is going to be solved, and definitely your partner is going to be really happy about it. So slotting out of people, do it in amicably. Don't create a scene and slot people out, throw people out of your life. Do it in a very calm manner. Maybe you might feel a little bit disturbed after doing that, but sometimes it is very necessary to cut off some people from our life, to have a very peaceful life, because certain kind of people, when they enter into your life, they create a turmoil. So it's high time that you should understand those people's character and take decision accordingly, right? So definitely, Virgo, even being in that confused state of mind or being overburdened, I can see there are a lot of good opportunities for you for the month of July. So July is going to bring a good finance, good relationship, and definitely new friends, travel, party making. So everything you have, Virgo, in your chart. That's it. This was the reading for my Virgo zodiac sign. I hope this guidance is going to help you. If you feel that certain sectors of your life needs to be clarified, please contact me. You have my phone number. You can come to me, have a personalized reading. If you don't belong to my city, you can always, connect to me via WhatsApp, even the phone number. We can have a video sessions where I can do a reading for you. Okay. So yeah, Virgo, overall reading is wonderful. Keep it up. So hope this guidance will help you a lot, right? So anyway, so this was a reading for the month of July, Virgo. Best of luck and hope to see you soon. Bye-bye. Take care.